Magandang umaga mga
BPI
ka-farmers.
Foundation and the
Second
BPI
day of
Direct Bank.
training ng
Palakpakan po natin
Silveta.
itong mga
Nandito na
institutional
naman po
agencies
kami ulit.
nagdala ng programang ito
Ito yung
sa
mga
inyo.
kasama
As mentioned po, no, Silveta goes to Region 1, specifically po in Pangasinan. This is the third leg na po, no, because we had the first one in Albay, and then the second one po was just
Kala nyo
recently
kayo lang, ha?
concluded in Capiz. This time po in Pangasinan, and then next week naman
Mga
po, no, we'll
ka-farmers,
go down south in Mindanao, and
ito
we'll
ang
be
kagandahan
bringing
na mas
Silveta
magsasaka
and your stories with
is
us po, no,
palagi
as
tayong
we go
ini-invite
to
sa ganitong
Davao City.
pagkakataon.
So, kahapon po ba nag-enjoy tayo?
Yes!
Mukha naman po, no? Nakita ko po sa inyo sa mga nag-cellphone na na-enjoy naman talaga kahapon. Ayan, sige. Pero before we proceed with our trainings today, of course, don't forget po, no, ating hashtag. Everybody please read. Hashtag.
Kasama lahat.
And
Training
hashtag.
for nation building.
Ayan. So, hashtag kasama lahat with BPI Foundation po, no? Wala pong may iwan sa laylayan, regardless of your age, of your ethnicity, of your gender, or your sexual orientation, gender identity and expression, whether you consider yourself as poor, or you're rich, or whatsoever, kasama po lahat na angat. And of course, reminder lang din po natin that, again, we have established this place as our safe space, no? Mahalaga o importante po na mapanatili natin ang kaligtasan ng bawat isa. Again, we encourage everyone to remove their judgment lenses, leave it at home, especially once you get in our training today, so that malaya po tayong makagalaw at malaya po tayong makapagpahayag ng ating mga saloobin, ng ating mga katanungan,
Oh, mga
ng walang
ka-farmers,
takot
like and
sa
subscribe po
panghuhusga.
ang Kumaan.
Yes or yes? Isn't
Maraming
it?
salamat.
Yes, ayan po.